Hello. My name is Felipe Cabelo Magalhães Silva, and this is my CS50 SQL Final project, which is named UFMG Data System. That is a system to organize the data of the students, professors, and etc. from Federal University of Minas Gerais. This is my basic info. So basically, it is centered around this diagram, which has the student's entity, which has its basic data like ID, full name, CPF, and this font, which is really important because it is basically a program that helps the students with funds to stay in the university. It has the student's age, state ID, and department ID, which are just foreign keys for the states, their origin states, and the departments that they're in. There's this entity which is professor, which has its name, ID, age, and department ID with this foreign key as well. The classes that are taught by the professors, and the enrollments that is basically made to do the end-to-end relation between students and classes. It also has the enrollment date of the students, and the ratings entity, which has the ID, the rating, and the class ID, which the students give to each class. Okay. So basically, we have the schema, which has a table, the students with the two foreign keys, all its basic information. The form here, I had to do this because I didn't have the Boolean type, so I just made this check. The professor as well, primary key, foreign key. The departments, pretty simple. The classes, the enrollments, which I basically just put the enrollment date and this for the entry and relation, the ratings, which can be between 1 and 10, 0 and 10. So I made this. Some indexes on the student's name, on the department ID, and on the ratings, so we can search faster when these are on the where section of the query. And here we have a view to see if the student's name is in the font. So we can just query that. We also have the average of the classes rating and the most popular departments, which basically sums up the students and professor counts. And here are the queries that I thought would be useful. So select or everything from determinate state. So let's say Minas Gerais, all students from there are the information. Here we have a query to find how many of each of the origin states the students of class X has. So let's say, oh, it has 10 students of Minas Gerais, 5 students of São Paulo, etc. Here we basically did a join to sum everything up, and then we did a count and a group by. We can start into a student like David Mallon with a CPF, pay, state ID, etc. Insert a rating, update the phone of a student based on its CPF, which is kind of like a security number. We can retire professors when they reach a certain age, and we can remove the classes that have a rating of below 5. And that's pretty much sums it up. So thank you for your attention and have a pleasant day.